Good morning, sir.
Hi children, good morning. Seeing the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The right next question, children. Number 2. Sold goods on credit. For rupees 15,000. As I told, you have to write immediately in its space. What's the question? Can you read the question?
Sold
Sold
goods
on credit rupees 15,000.
Okay. What's the answer for this? Journal entry, I mean.
sundry debtors account debit to sales account.
Debit to sales.
Yes, sundry debtors or debit to sales up. Amount 15,000. In this question also, settlement is there. We are receiving the balance amount after many adjustments from these 100 debtors. Since settlement is there, start keeping on recording the brief calculation. Write on them somewhere according to your convenience. Don't write on the margin. Somewhere on the bottom. 15,000 I am writing here. For your visibility, I am writing on the margin. You should not write on the margin. You write somewhere in the bottom side. The answer is correct. In its space. Goods returned by the customer. As a transaction, goods returned by the customer. Rupees 4,000. Returned by the customer, rupees 4,000. So what will be the answer for this? Answer I mean journal entry. What's the answer?
Sales returns account debit to sundry debtors account.
Okay. Once again, sales return account debit. Correct only. Say once again. What you told is correct only. Once again.
Sales returns account debit to sundry debtors account.
Yes, sales return account debit. Sundry debtors. For convenience, I am using shortcut S.DRS. 4,000. When the goods are returned by the customer, amount receivable from the customer is increasing or decreasing, children?
Decreasing, sir.
Yes. So, parallel record. 15,000 plus 4,000 or minus 4,000? What is your answer?
So minus
Minus 4,000. 15 minus 4, how much?
11,000.
11,000.
This we will use this information as working note. We need that. Question, answer, explanation, everything side by side so that you will understand. After completing the question and starting the answer, you will not understand. Okay, learn things parallelly. That is an easy way to cover the topic. Understand the concept. Next transaction. Rebate allowed to customer. Rebate allowed to customers. Rupees 1,250. Rebate allowed to customer. So what will be the answer? I mean journal entry. Did you read this?
Rebate allowed account debit to
When with the business organization is allowing rebate, it is our loss. In accountancy, all the expense and loss will be debited or credited.
debited.
So the account to be debited is rebate allowed. All the expense and loss will be debited, right? Then our asset will be reduced, which is
Yes, sir.
sundry debtors is an asset, will be reduced. Decrease in asset will be credited. Okay, that's a concept.
Credited.
Now tell the journal entry.
Rebate allowed account debit to cash account.
Rasha. What's the meaning of rebate allowed? We are informing the customers that this much amount. What is this much amount? 1,250. This much amount you don't want to pay. We means business organization. We are informing the customers that this much amount you don't want to pay. We are not receiving. We are not paying. We are not receiving. We are informing the customer. So this much amount is deducted. You don't want to pay. That is our loss. When some amount is not to be paid by the customer, that much balance will be reduced. Sundry debtors is an asset. Any other student? What's the journal entry for? Already we learned it. Since it is so important, I am repeating.
Yes, sir.
Anybody?
Rebate allowed account debit to sundry debtors account.
Yes. Rebate
Rupees
account or
1,250.
yes, it's 90% correct only. You told rebate account. Rebate accounts are two types, Kavishri. One is rebate allowed.
Rebate allowed.
Yes, we should say specifically rebate allowed. Okay, answer. Rebate allowed account debit. To sundry debtors. If name is given, name of the sundry debtor is given, we should write the name. In this question, there is no name. You don't want. Amount 1,250. By rebate, by allowing rebate, we are informing the customers this much amount you don't want to pay. So the amount receivable from the sundry debtors will be increasing or decreasing, children?
Decreasing, sir.
Yes.
Decreasing.
So go to the parallel record. At present, 11,000. Again, this amount is going to be reduced, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will add or we will deduct 1,250. We will add or deduct.
Deduct, sir.
Yes. Less 1,250. 11,000 minus 1,250. Is 9,750.
9,750.
9,750.
So keep this record, we will use. I am saying again and again. Don't erase, remove that. Next transaction. Discount allowed to sundry debtors. Discount allowed to sundry debtors. Is 780. 780. Who will say the answer? When we are allowing discounts, we means a business organization. When we are learning accountancy, we should keep in mind that we are working as accountant for a business organization. So we means the owner or the accountant. We are writing accounts on behalf of the business organization. Simply, we means business here. So what we will do?
The sundry debtors account debit to.
Say the reason. Since this topic is already over, since it is important, I am repeating.
Asset is debited.
The reason also. Once again, somebody was telling the answer.
So
When we are allowing discount, we are incurring loss.
debtors account to be debited.
When we are allowing discount, we are incurring loss.
Discount allowed account debit to sundry debtors.
Yes. Why you are debiting discount allowed? What's the reason? Neha?
Sir, because decrease in sundry debtors account, sir.
That's okay, I understand. Why we are debiting discount allowed? The answer is correct only. What's the reason?
Sir, increase in revenues.
Discount allowed is debited. 100% right. Simple question. What's the reason?
Allowed debited to
Reason. Why we are debiting discount allowed?
Expenses.
Discount allowed is an expense. It's coming under expense or loss.
Expenses is to be debited.
Yes, purely it is loss. Expense and loss will be debited in accounts. So discount allowed account debit to
Sundry debtors account.
Sundry debtors account.
here. Discount allowed account debit to sundry debtors account. 780. Okay, what's the reason why we are debiting discount allowed? Increase in
Expenses and losses are to be debited.
Whether it is expense or loss. If it is clear that it is expense or loss, write that only.
Loss.
Otherwise, you can simply write increase in expense or loss. But it is loss. It is understood very clearly. Expense and loss are having the same effect in accountancy. Sometimes it may be expense, sometimes it may be loss. Here it is loss. Increase in loss. If you are writing expense or loss also, no problem. At least that you know, we have to appreciate. But 100% correct answer is increase in loss. Okay, why you are crediting sundry creditors? Is there any reason?
Decrease in assets.
Yes, decrease in asset. And when we are doing fast, we can use some trick. Instead of writing increase, you put up arrow. Are you understanding?
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of writing decrease, when time is not sufficient, you have to manage the time. Time is not permitting to write a detailed explanation. You can write like this: decrease. Decrease in asset. Wherever possible, you try to accommodate. If you find that it is not possible to finish the answer, at least the symbol you should show. Are you hearing me, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much is the discount allowed? 780 rupees. 780. 780. What we should do, children? This 780 we will be adding to the balance or deducting from the balance. What is your opinion?
Deducting.
And what is the balance? 9750. From 9750 we are deducting 780. It will be
8,970.
8970. This is a status. So in your notebook also, this summary should be there. We have to use that. Then received the remaining amount. Received the remaining amount from sundry debtors. Received the remaining amount from sundry debtors. Here, leave the space for the answer and start working based on the information we are keeping parallelly. Children, can you tell me the answer for this? What's the journal entry for this? Received the remaining amount. We don't know the amount, but we know
Yes, sir.
it is. But by showing like this, you will not get marked. You have to show in a professional way, in a decent way. What's a journal entry? You can write. Even though we know the amount, don't write now. Show the working, then write that amount. That is a way. What's a journal entry for receiving the amount, remaining amount?
So, sundry debtors account is commonly
Account.
sir.
Once again. I am not asking compound journal entry, children. I think I'm not asking compound journal entry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all journal entry only I am asking. We are receiving some amount from sundry debtor. That journal entry only I am asking. We are receiving amount from sundry debtors. What's the journal entry?
Cash account debit to sundry debtors.
Congratulations. Correct answer. cash account debit to. We know the amount. Even though we know the amount, I'm telling in advance. Don't write. Answer is over in accountancy. And working after answer. Working should be shown after the answer. Don't write workings in between. Just like in school. Not allowed. Especially in CBSE. They will give more importance to the presentation. Handwriting. Four-side margin. Using. But different colors are not allowed in CBSE nowadays. Either blue or black. They are very strict. Okay. In the previous question, we have worked out remaining amount payable to sundry creditors. Here, similar adjustment. What is the working note? What will be the heading? It is up to us. There is no hard and fast rule for workings. You can use your common sense. You can write in your own, but should be somewhat meaningful. Science மாதிரி கண்டிப்பா இப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படி ஒன்றும் இல்லை. Concept வந்தா போதுமே. Okay, what heading we can give? Remaining?
So calculation of balance or
yes, அப்படியும் போடலாம். இந்த மாதிரி தான் போடணும் அப்படி கவலைப்படாதீங்க. Calculation of சொல்லுங்க. Calculation of remaining
balance or amount receivable.
இன்னொரு விஷயம் remaining balance வந்து போடக்கூடாது. அது இங்கிலீஷ் கிராமர் ப்ராப்ளம். Balance means remaining only. You can say remaining amount. அப்படியும் போடலாம். Balance ன்னு போட்டிருந்தால் is understood. Balance means remaining amount only, right? Either you write balance or remaining amount. Receivable from
sundry debtors.
Creditors. Okay.
Sundry debtors.
Okay. Okay, tell me, what's the calculation? In the previous calculation, it was a case of purchase. What was the heading? What was the first item? Purchase. Here, what will be the first item?
Sales return.
Sales. What is sales? Sales also okay. Make it more professional, more meaningful and understandable. Better to write credit sales. How much is amount? Everything is here in the brief calculation. We can use this. First amount, right? Either. I need to raise you the yes. How much? 10,000.
4,000.
Yes. 15,000 is turned into 8970 because of some deletion adjustment. What is this 4,000? You can see the journal entry or you can see the question.
Sales return.
Sales return.
So what we should write? Less sales return. Less sales return.
Sales
4,000.
return.
Balance 11,000, isn't it?
11,000.
Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
practically
Yes,
you
sir.
should follow some tips also, not only tricks. You have taken this 4,000, isn't it? 4,000. Put a tick
Yes,
mark.
sir.
We should not take it again. Put a tick mark. Then, what's the next amount we have to take? 1250, 1,250. What is that?
Rebate allowed.
Okay, right? Yes.
Rebate allowed.
Yes, right.
Rebate
Rebate allowed. 1250. Since we have worked out here, we can save time. No need to calculate again. We already calculate, right? After deducting 1250, how much you are getting?
9,750.
9,700.
Okay, we are saving time. Okay, put a tick mark. Don't take undu paisa again.
Discount allowed.
Less. So write balance after every deduction. Balance. That is Indian style. But when you go to foreign countries, they will not do like this. I will tell you later. Balance. What's the next deduction? 780. What is this 780?
Discount allowed.
So less discount allowed.
Less discount allowed.
Here. Balance. You need to calculate. Everything is here. Just a copy. You have to manage your time. I am telling. Don't waste the valuable time for accountancy. You will not get time enough time. Every year it is happening for all public exams. Here, simply writing balance. Do you think that that is okay? It's okay, but not that much okay. Is it okay? Balance.
Balance received.
Balance. Yes, very good. Balance received. Then that's perfection now. Professional now. Simply showing balance means it is still due. It's not due. We are receiving that. So this 8970 we are writing here. 8970. 8970. 8,000. So this working is important. Next, parallelly we are learning something. Compound journal. It is given as a separate topic. We don't want to learn like that. Right? Along with the practical aspect. Along with this topic. I think you have written up to here 8970. Am I right? Did you complete, children?
Yes, sir.
Did you complete?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
alternatively, we can do by using compound journal entry. Here, how many journal entries are there? For sales, there is no compound journal entry. After sales, how many journal entries?
4.
4.
4. We can pass only one journal entry. We can pass one journal entry instead of 4. In this case, some account is repeating. Which account is repeating in the 4 journal entries?
Sundry debtors.
Okay, that is
Sundry
debit or
debtors.
credit? Debit or credit?
Credits.
Okay, 4 credits are there. So instead of 4 credit, we can give how many credit?
1 credit.
1 credit. So many debits will come here. 4 debits are coming and 1 credit. What is that credit? 2 sundry debtors.
Sundry debtors.
Instead of, after leaving space for the debit, right? Only one credit. Then, what are the debits?
Sales return
Sales
account.
return,
Sales.
rebate allowed account, discount allowed account.
Cash account.
Right. One by one. Sales return account. 4,000, isn't it? Am I right, children?
Yes, sir.
Sales return account debit. Next. Rebate.
Rebate allowed.
1250.
Rebate allowed.
Next. Discount.
Discount allowed.
Discount allowed.
Next. Cash.
Cash account.
Account.
Cash account debit. 8970. If you are taking the total, it will match with this sales. confidence will be okay, but here one thing I would like to remind everybody, over confidence இருக்கக்கூடாது. அப்படி போட்டிருந்தாலும் ஒரு தடவை செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். Before you write the total by closing your eyes, just to take the total once again somewhere, because instead of 780, for example, you may be writing 778. Oversight mistake, chance of oversight mistake is more in accountancy. Instead of 8970, you may be writing 8790. So what you have written, practice once again somewhere, take the total. If it is not matching, you can understand that. Even though the answer is, the entries are correct, there was mistake when we wrote the amount. Are you understanding, children, what I am saying? Are you understanding?
Yes.
Yes. Confidence is not, that is very good. Over confidence. So you can confirm once again before writing. Are you getting 15,000? Are you getting
Yes, sir.
15,000? Yes.
Credit.
Yeah, just
Yes,
like
sir.
in the previous class, ഒരു Olympiad question. If you are breaking this into two journal entries, here only one compound journal entry. Suppose we want to pass two compound journal entries, one for receipts, another for adjustment. Who will say the answer? You write here alternatively.
So sales
Return account
account
debit.
debit,
Rebate
rebate allowed account debit, discount allowed account
debit
to
to
sundry
sundry
debtors,
debtors account.
cash account debit to
Debit
sundry
to
debtors.
sundry debtors account.
Okay, congratulations. Sales return 4000. Rebate allowed 1250. Discount 780. So total of 4,000, 1250, 780. 4,000 plus 1250 plus 780.
6030.
That means 6,030, right?
430.
Yes.
Yes. That is one entry for adjustment, another entry for receipt. Cash account debit to sundry debtors 8970. Again, I am requesting you, please confirm. 6030 plus 8970 should match with 15,000. And verification, reconciliation, confirmation is so important in accountancy. Check pannitan answer. Can you check 6030 plus 8970 comes 15,000? Yes or no? Comes. Are you seeing on the board?
Yes, sir.
Reconfirmation,
Yes, sir.
verification, reconciliation, updation. How was the class? Okay. How was the class, children?
Nice, sir.
Nice.
See you. See you in the next class. Okay. Bye.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.